a species that comes up everywhere in the DC metro region, but luckily, it's also a tasty wild edible. It comes up in early April, and harvesting the young shoots keeps bamboo from spreading and provides a gourmet treat. To prepare bamboo, first peel off the tough, papery outer layer until you get to the tender inside. After cutting the tough green end off of the bamboo, slice it into bite-sized pieces and then boil for about 20 minutes. Now it's ready to eat. Our family likes it with a little soy sauce and vinegar.
Yum.